Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft stuck at 60 FPS. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as we all know, we have these settings in Minecraft where we can go ahead and change our display modes. Okay, the FPS, for example, 1920 by 1080 at 60 FPS, 120 FPS, 164, 240, whatever. Okay, so we're not going to be doing that in this video. You can just do it later, okay, after these fixes. So first fix, go ahead and right click on the blank space on your screen. Just go ahead and click on display settings. Scroll all the way down, find related settings, and we have here advanced display. Click on it and make sure that the refresh rate selected right here is the highest available, okay? It will be automatically selected right here. But if not, make sure to select one that is highest. Of course, if you have multiple monitors, select your main monitor or where you want to play Minecraft. And make sure again the highest is selected. Now, after that, should be good to go, okay? If that will work, go ahead over to your NVIDIA control panel or AMD Adrenalin, open it up, okay? And just go ahead and find a change resolution right here and make sure again, highest or refresh rate is selected. Now hit on apply, of course. Now click on manage 3D settings right here in the left panel. Wait for it to load and make sure that VSync or vertical sync is turned off. Okay. Also, we have FPS limits right here or max frame rate. Make sure that this one is turned off as well. Okay. And once that's done, hit on apply. Now go ahead and open up Minecraft and go to its settings and adjust it accordingly. And that is it. That is how you fix Minecraft if it's stuck at 60 FPS. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.